कुछ है जुनून सा,
कुछ पागलपन है,
100 बातें करता ये बुद्धू सामान है.
चपीचू.
Chirpy Chew, and she's a very chirpy chew person. Sizzling, अंडा बना सकते हैं.
तो क्या?
पश्तूनी सिखाई, उर्दू सिखाई.
एक और.
By the way, no, as some information on this note is that मेरी उर्दू बहुत कमजोर है. And Shakun every time when he's thinking, I want a shot. मुझसे जैसे भूखे इंसान का जाना कटोरियों से काम ही चल सकता है.
Siddharth and Alia, talking to you guys, like, did you guys went back on to Student of the Year, like when you guys started, and did you guys just remember how you break the ice with each other, and again you guys are collaborating with the film, so how was it?
I think it was a totally fresh experience because there's a remarkable difference in you know.
Yeah, that we can see.
Yeah,
she's just
exactly. So then, and that showed, and I could sense it also. Just doing scenes with her, and you know, far more spontaneous and extremely natural. And I think both of us are also enjoying our process now. We're using all the experience that we've had. So it was a totally fresh and exciting experience to work with Alia again.
How easy or difficult co-stars are they?
How difficult or easy? Well, they're very easy people. Easy
breezy.
Easy breezy. What was that other word? Cuckoo what? Choo-choo?
chappichu.
Chirpy Chew, and she's a very chirpy chew person.
Oh, that's the word he has given you.
No, she's coined that term. She taught me that word.
I didn't coin it, Karan coined it.
So I think instantly got off along on the right foot, and things went by in a breeze. And I actually such a great experience that पता ही नहीं लगा कि कब खत्म हो गया, you know. And I think they're both wonderful co-stars, wonderful people to hang out with, basically.
Especially the bonding between you brothers, like off screen, it's like awesome, and we have seen off screen also. Alia, did you feel left out, like they were like actually bonding like brothers, so you were like, okay, I'm not getting the attention or something like that?
No,
with you?
I didn't feel left out. I mean, not really. I really didn't feel left out.
She had a word building and games.
They gave me attention also whenever I needed it, so it was fine. I didn't really feel left out. Yeah, I took it. Snatched it away from them.
Okay, how was it working with Siddharth and playing his brother? And we have seen the trailer quite some, like you guys are fighting, gushing around, and what's happening there? Yeah.
आपको नजर आ रहा है what's happening? But नहीं, jokes aside, Siddharth I think is like I mentioned before, he's a wonderful co-actor. I like his way of performing. It's very real and subtle. Because sometimes, you know, this is what I've experienced in my limited experience. Sometimes you come across actors who are a bit more theatrical. So, you know, you have to constantly struggle to match tones with them and all of that. Here, the thing was that everyone was on the same foot. Especially with Siddharth, I think our interaction started before the shooting of the film, which I think was essential to breaking the ice between us. And I felt it on the first day that we met when Siddharth was kind enough to take us out for dinner, me and Shakun. We bonded over a meal and we just hit it off right there and then. And then from there on, things just got better and better and better and better. He's a very sensitive guy, very warm, caring guy, and very observant. So that makes for a very deadly combination as a co-star, you know. And I think that energy is translated onto the screen. What you're seeing, what looks like a bromance, even in the BTS and in the film. We genuinely enjoyed each other's company.
Okay.
Yeah. You all smiles with all the compliments you are receiving.
No, extremely sweet, but I second that. I think it takes, you know, a lot to come into a new crew because we all knew each other before. For others, probably the new entry. But he's extremely open to, you know, even on set or in a scene, open to suggestions. You know, he works in tandem. It's not like he's doing his own thing and, you know, he wants us to do our own thing. So I think that's relaxes the whole set. he's all for pointers and trying out new things, and extremely comfortable guy to work with. Yeah, I had so much fun. I could always relate to him as my older brother. I also find some similarity between him and my real life older brother in personalities, and he's an extremely chilled out guy, if I call him in our lingo, and yeah, super happy to work with him, and I'm glad I'm playing his younger brother.
So Fawad, how did you find the chemistry of them in the magazine cover? कैसा लगा?
Sizzling. अंडा आप बना सकते हैं.
You know, there is a popular gossip about them. Have you ever heard it?
What?
इनके बारे में popular gossip है about that they are dating. Have you ever heard about it?
Yeah, I've heard about it. I keep asking them all the time.
So what is the answer?
Mum is the word.
Fawad, did you teach them some Urdu words like कुछ सिखाया आपने इनको?
मसला. अभी एक और recent क्या है?
पश्तो नहीं सिखाई, उर्दू सिखाई.
नहीं, एक recent वाला. नहीं, तकल्लुफ नहीं.
तकल्लुफ is
मुख्तलिफ is different.
I thought it was very good.
And कहलूला भी सिखाया इनको.
कहलूला.
Anyone dialogue in Urdu they have ever like recited with you, और कुछ बोला है कभी आपके साथ?
Dialogue in Urdu क्या मतलब?
उर्दू में कोई dialogue you have taught them or anything?
No major dialogue, but we used to keep picking up on these words. So every now and then he would like say these words, and then we'd be like, oh, Fawad, ek aur.
By the way, no, as some information on this note is that मेरी उर्दू बहुत कमजोर है. It's just that
हमारी उससे भी कमजोर है, तो
having been on sets and having worked with writers who are basically Urdu-based writers, तो थोड़ी सी polish हुई है. But otherwise, sometimes I would just suddenly remember यार कि हाँ, because they were saying कि यार और क्या होता है उर्दू में and all that. So there's some very interesting terms. So I would, there's some of my friends back at home, like for example, a traffic light in Urdu is called barkiye kumkuma.
Barkiye kumkuma.
Oh.
Aha.
Sounds like a dish.
है ना?
Barkiye kumkuma.
And I may be saying it wrong. I may be saying it wrong. Imtiaz is my friend.
आलू बन के आएंगे ऐसा लगता है कोई डिश आने वाली है.
Kumkuma means.
Kumkuma means?
The chamchama.
The light, हाँ. So there's some interesting things. So we're constantly, sort of doing that. So that taught me some words.
Yeah, Mumbaiya language. No, the youth must have thought
I'm from Delhi. The Mumbai language that I got confused with and I taught him was Kantal. भैया कंटाल आ रहा है.
अच्छा, कंटाल.
Kantal is a very Maharashtrian, actually very Maharashtrian term.
It's like laziness. It's like.
But it's very Maharashtrian.
Of course, exactly. Yeah.
Alice in Wonderland.
Exchange हो रहा था culture वाला.
Cultural exchange था.
खाने के मामले में we are on the same page.
हाँ, खाना I think is
Apart from the fact that Fawad was very impressed or confused क्योंकि हम कटोरी में खाते हैं खाना.
अच्छा वो हाँ नहीं अब तो I'm used to it.
तो आप लोग कटोरी में नहीं खाते हो?
First time, no, you see, we live in Lahore, and Punjabi people basically eat in one plate. I don't know, Delhi में we used to eat in katori.
हाँ, use करते हैं.
But anyways, like if you go to like into in Lahore, तो प्लेट के अंदर होता है आमतौर पे, like in our house, कटोरियों का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था. कराची में फिर भी होता है जब थालियां आती हैं और सारी चीजें आती हैं. But it's not Lahore. So I was at someone's house. They invited me over for dinner, and my host was she was a very kind lady, but she's a bit neurotic. तो खाना मैंने डाला, मैंने दाल डाल ली, मैंने थोड़ा सा बटर चिकन डाल लिया, मैंने थोड़ा सा चावल डाल लिया, एक ही प्लेट में डाल लिए. तो when she saw my plate, she almost threw a panic attack as if okay, I have committed some very big sin. She's like, no, wait, I'll give you katoris. So then I was like, I'm fine with it. I can just eat it like that. And I just mix it up, and she's just looking at me very disgustingly as if okay, what I'm doing. So for me, these things at that time were new, but now I've gotten used to the idea. But still, I find katoris to be कि मुझे लगता है प्लेट में ज्यादा जगह कटोरियां ले लेती है और खाना कम आता है.
No, हम कटोरी बाहर रखते हैं, हम साइड से लेके आते हैं.
That's the idea. The fitness freak like कटोरियों में छोटा-छोटा खाओ.
वो मेजर कर सकते हैं ना उसमें.
हम लेकिन मुझसे जैसे भूखे इंसान का जो है ना कटोरियों से काम नहीं चल सकता.
I'll just play a quick rapid fire with you guys. So first question is, who is the first one to arrive on sets?
But it depends on call time.
Yeah, it depends on call time. I believe I still arrive first, but anyway.
ठीक है, 5 मिनट बाद आते हैं लेकिन.
Who is the late Latif? I thought Alia would be because no, yeah. Oh, who's foodie?
All of us.
All foodies.
Okay. And who's always with the phone? And who is the prankster among you three? Did they play any prank with?
Fawad will play straight face jokes. Like he'll say things to you with a straight face, and you're like, oh really? I'm just joking. That was Fawad. Sid would actually trouble, and pull your leg and all that. So both of them.
Okay. And who is the mimicry guy who mimics everyone on set? I wanted to see mimic him. Like I really want to see that.
Fawad.
Mimic Shakun.
Yeah, Shakun has a Fawad I just did in your previous show. We'll repeat it. Shakun has an expression. Shakun comes in like with says like, guys, like what a show. He has a habit of putting his hands up like that. So which I love observing people, and his eyes go really bright when he's excited. So especially he used to love only the dog wala portions. सबसे best actor set पे था Gishu, जो हमारा dog है Raju. And Shakun every time when he's thinking, guys, what a shot.
Okay. One person you will find awake till 3 a.m. among you three.
I sleep very early, Baba.
Even if we would find each other awake, we won't know, na? How would we know?
That's true.
Let's skip that. Maximum retakes. Who takes maximum retakes?
That's up Shakun Batra. Shakun Batra take maximum retakes.
To 5 to 30.
Hands down.
Yeah. We're okay in first two. Shakun को लेना होता.
यार मेरे को लगता है कि एक और बार ट्राई कर लेते हैं.
Very nice, but we'll go one more.
Okay. So just see what comes naturally to you. I mean, just see what comes naturally. See what comes naturally to you. But just try that, but see what comes naturally to you.
Okay, talking about the song, every song is very beautiful. Which is your favorite one? And you have to sing lastly. We'll just.
Our current favorite is Buddhu Saman, and we will all sing for you.
Yeah, कुछ है जुनून सर.
कुछ है जुनून सर. Okay, so this is Buddhu Samana, but we know just like one verse of it.
That's a beautiful song, but.
You like it now? See, exactly.
Yeah, we'll sing that for you only, dedicated to you.
Oh, thank you.
कुछ है जुनून सा.
कुछ है जुनून सा,
कुछ पागलपन है,
100 बातें करता ये बुद्धू सामान है.